stretching her legs a little.
Walking a little bit.
She'll be able to?
Sure. We've got that whole big backyard outside of the fenced area.
Okay, the backyard. You may buy a good pie.
All right.
Oh my goodness. What a good looking little dog.
Isn't she great?
See something?
Oh,
He's got a wet nose too.
that's a good sign, isn't it?
Yeah. He's a cute dog. Oh dear.
You want to hold her?
Let's get down over this way so the dogs can't see the Alex is terrible.
Could we go? Could we?
I think he's worried about the dog seeing it through the window.
No, no.
We're
over
going
there,
this
man.
way.
They're going in the, no, over there where it's,
Okay.
that's better over there.
Go ahead back in the.
She looks so pretty from here. You know what I was thinking? Yeah, well, I know, but she's only a baby.
Look at the way Grandma's holding her. I think that's a good way to hold her.
I was thinking another cute name would be Holly.
Oh yeah, that would be
For
very
Christmas.
pretty.
I think you better get her in the car, sweetheart. I
Well,
really
it's like
do.
Grandpa.
Or maybe Jolly or Molly
Do you want to see if Grandpa
Holly,
wants to hold her?
Holly for Christmas.
or Polly.
Oh, what a
Wally.
cute little guy.
What about Polly or
She's a cute,
Polly's
Girl.
cute. Polly is cute.
she's a cute little girl. Oh, wow.
Oh, she is darling.
I think
Oh,
we
are
better
you a
see
lucky
if
little
she wants to
girl.
go potty too.
Does she-
before she
they
goes
they
in
don't
the-
take her out, do they?
Well, she
Yeah.
I doubt
yeah,
if they.
I think.
Oh sure.
They took her. They took her out in the cold.
Well, they had.
Boy,
you know,
it's
It's not that cold. I mean,
Side, yeah. I'd give her a couple of weeks.
She hasn't had that much time to walk, so.
No, but I mean, she can walk around your house.
I know, but we're
You
not.
can walk around the house.
Isn't she pretty?
She's beautiful. Isn't she pretty now? She has a. What's this?
Little ribbon, little Christmas ribbon
I missed it.
Oh,
for
oh.
our lovely Christmas
Yeah.
present, our
You know-
best Christmas present ever.
Pardon me. I would take that off. I wouldn't leave it on.
Yeah.
Because she's, she could strangle herself with that. Really, if she got her paws.
Would you cough for the camera again, please?
Would I what?
Would you cough for the camera again? I didn't get
No.
that.
Want me to chew my gum again? Yeah.
Do you need a knife?
Do you want any more instructions?
No, I just want her to walk a little bit because I watch, make sure she doesn't eat anything, but I just want to give her a
Well,
chance
I'm gonna need to
walk.
stop at Whole Foods on the way up anyway.
Well, I know, but we don't want to do it in the parking lot. Let's just let her walk.
I wouldn't let her out and around because she goes crooked.
Oh, goodness. Nice puppy you. Nice puppy you.
Such a wobbly girl.
Yeah.
She's going to miss her family
Too much
tonight.
weight for those little legs.
You'll have to stay with her.
Very alert. Very alert.
But she'll miss her family, huh?
Oh yeah, she will tonight.
This area right here.
So then there.
Maybe.
Okay, come on, let's do some work. Let's do some laps. Come on.
Then I'm going with Shanti. She's closer.
Come on. Oh, you're such a good walker. You're such a good walker. You're such a good.
Shanti and Steve must have dressed accordingly to sort of match the dog.
Yeah.
Ginger, come here, Ginger.
She picked up a stone or something like that. Well, don't let her have it, sweetheart.
Oh, dogs can have sticks.
She'll eat everything.
Look, it's big for her.
Take your stick to Daddy.
It's just what golden retrievers need. Come here, Ginger.
She's going to take off. She's going to drive with it.
Oh my goodness, look at that. Barbie, are you getting it?
Yes, I am.
That's why they're called golden retrievers.
Yeah, she's eating sticks. Don't let her swallow it or chew it, though.
It's too big for her.
No, not with those teeth.
It's too big to swallow, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Boy, she looks like Jessie when she chews on that stick.
Yeah. Yeah, I was getting a little bit of a recollection of that.
Jessie used to carry sticks everywhere.
Well, you made a very wise decision.
He's biting my finger.
Oh no.
That's what she's trying to swallow it.
We better have her chew toys out when we get home.
Look it.
She's fetching you now.
Where is she bringing me?
I don't know.
Teeth are sharp, aren't they, Shanti?
Are they sharp?
No.
Not yet, huh?
She's like, come on, come on.
She's
Not
get-
your-
Turn her to come. Come here, Ginger. Come here, Ginger. Ginger. Ginger, come here.
Said, who? Oh, Ginger. Oh.
That's, I guess that's me.
She is sweet.
She's got a good disposition, doesn't she? Of course, they all always do, the Goldens.
See how the kitties handle it.
Yeah.
See, all the kitties do this.
Shanti, if ever she picks up anything, take it away from her. Don't.
Why don't you fix it my finger?
Well,
She has a very good target of my baby finger.
ooh, careful. Careful of her because she's so little.
I mean, it doesn't hurt. She's trying to take me somewhere.
Well, this is the time of year that makes the valley the
I
place
wanted
to
to
be.
think she's strong.
Yes, yeah, that's right.
Ow.
Beautiful.
Let's see if we can get her to walk up to the camera, huh?
Why would she?
Ginger!
More
Ginger!
interested in biting fingers right
Ginger!
now.
Take your finger away a second to see if she comes walking to the camera. Ginger!
I wasn't aware about it.
Maybe you could walk to the camera and then
Now
that'll...
she's trying to nurse from me.
Today.
Tuesday is Christmas.
Yeah, Tuesday's Christmas. I'm all mixed up. They're coming 2 days after Christmas at 9.
She likes turning over.
Yeah, I think she prefers being held like
Shanti, if you ever dropped her, she could get very badly injured, sweetheart.
Let her eat this wild
No,
stuff.
I would really put my foot down with her because she doesn't understand. She's never had a little puppy like that before.
Don't let her eat it unless she wants to, okay?
Steve, don't say that. She wants to eat everything.
You like to play with things. She's breaking up. The stick she can't break. That's long.
Can you move her away from that area, Shanti? It looks like she's getting into things.